Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope all of you are doing great and are being safe. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys my balcony makeover and tour. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video guys. I got few products from Flipkart. Flipkart has really very good products at affordable pricing, and especially the home improvement products and the gardening tools. So you guys must check it out. I'll give the links in the description box below. I have just now deep cleaned my balcony and this is how my balcony is looking right now, and you guys can see this is a multifunctional balcony. I have my washing machine and I'm going to dry my clothes over here. So I'm just going to make some simple arrangements and make it more lively and colorful. The black stand that you guys see here is that of an extra bed stand. So I use it only when some guests come over, and this is how the balcony is looking right now. I am going to arrange it, and here you can see the wash basin, right, which we do not use. I just use that pipe, so I just kept some necessary items here. And this is like bamboo fence, and this has really covered everything which is at the back of this back side of this balcony. You can see the AC outdoor units, two AC outdoor units were there, so I just used this bamboo fence to cover them. I'm going to cover the flooring with the artificial green mat. What I actually did was I got multiple mats and I adjusted them according to my balcony size, but you can get it customized. These artificial green mats are available on Flipkart. You guys must try Flipkart because it has best products at affordable pricing, and also the home improvement products are starting from just rupees 69. Like you get plant samplings for 69 rupees, plant seeds for 69 rupees, and also there is lot of hooks and hangers which are available for 89 rupees. Soil is also available for 69 rupees. So what else do you need guys? You get lot of products for just 69 rupees on Flipkart. You get wide range of best quality products on Flipkart, and also trending deals for the season are available, and also the lowest pricing on all your favorite products, because the home improvement products are starting from just rupees 69 as I already mentioned. So what are you guys waiting for? Just renovate and recharge your home with your favorite gardening items that are available on Flipkart. Here I am just placing one stand, and these type of stands are also available on Flipkart guys. Just check it out. So here I just kept some brush for cleaning the carpets, and these are essential gardening tools which I got from Flipkart. These are really very pretty and very useful for gardening. These tools, as I already said, I got from Flipkart. They are really very pretty and also help you in in the gardening sessions. So I feel these are really very useful if you're planning to keep a small garden at your home. I feel these are really very useful. You guys must get these. These are also very cheap on Flipkart. I'll give the link of all the products that I am mentioning here in the description box below, and you guys can check it out. As you can see, there is a provision for keeping light where I'm not going to keep any light. I'm just going to keep this DIY tire over here, in which I'm going to place this money plant. This one I got from Flipkart. It's really very healthy. All the links to the products will be in the description box below. You guys can check it out. And this is my DIY, in which I'm going to place the small snake plant which I got from Flipkart. So I have just placed it over here, and here I'm just going to hang my DIYs. These DIYs I made of cardboard long back. I'm just going to hang them over here, and on them I'm going to hang these terracotta face masks. Here I'm just going to place a few of the decor pieces. So now it's time to bring in our plants. So I'm just going to start placing the plants over here. Actually my balcony gets very less sunlight, so not most of the plants find it difficult to survive over here. So I'm just experimenting with which plants are going to survive in my balcony. The one which I found is going to survive in my balcony are ZZ plants and the snake plant, as well as the money plants, and also the aloe vera plant. So I have widely used those plants here. And recently my mom brought some of the plants from our home in Porur, and I'm just trying to see if those plants are going to survive in our balcony. These hanging planters are also available on Flipkart. As I already mentioned, please check the home improvement products on Flipkart, guys. They are starting from just rupees 69, so you guys must check these out. I had this stand with me, which I'm going to use it over here. And I would say, if you have a small balcony space like me, I would suggest you guys to go for a stand like this, which can accommodate lot of plants, and also use plates under your planters, so it's easy when you water the plants. I got these plates from Flipkart. They're really very good in quality. Or you can get self-watering planters, so these will not make your balcony wet, so it is easy to maintain your balcony. And here I'm just going to hang my DIY painting. I'm just going to use this S hook and I'm going to hang it over here. So you guys can use his hooks and hang as many items as you want on this bamboo fence. That's one advantage of using this bamboo fence. And I'm going to add some battery operated lights over here on the fence. So guys, the makeover is done and I'm excited to show you the after picture of this makeover. I hope you guys would love it as much as I like it. Do check out all the products that I have mentioned in this video. I got a lot of products from Flipkart and are really very good in quality. I've given the links of those products in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. I hope you guys would have found this video useful. If you guys like it, please give a thumbs up and also please do share it with your friends and family. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all my future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye friends. Stay home, stay safe.